Hi everyone, welcome to this section of EMPEROVIAL work, and this is me, Precious Azon, also known as EMPEROVIAL. So today I want to show you a live testimonial of our just concluded 7 days of bankable wisdom, which we taught on personal finance mastery, we taught on affiliate marketing, we taught digital asset publishing and monetization. We also talk about a bit dropshipping and mini quotation. We went and talking about assessing global opportunity, our business plan, and grant writing. Not forgetting that we talked about something that was more striking again. That I will quickly remember the last hint. But I want you to look at our live testimonial. There's a saying that goes that this is my Facebook account. Go in now and show you my features. I asked the class to do something yesterday that will create a post that if you have a testimonial, go and share it on the comment section so I can inform there. We live in a country of Africa where people don't like sharing testimonial, but they like sharing complaints. So I urge my people that, and there's something about human people don't doubt a pleasant experience. So once you have a pleasant experience in something, just like when you have a taste of chicken, someone asks you, was it sweet? Was it nice? You're gonna have a feel, you're gonna have a thought about it, you cannot doubt that it was not pleasant. Okay, I'm gonna log in on I'm on my account now. I want to show you a lot of testimonial over here. So stay with me on this video. This is our WhatsApp group, and these are WhatsApp group, and I get to show you lots and lots of these are WhatsApp group. So we had over 100 and we had 112 persons on WhatsApp platforms, and okay, so I'll go to all this stuff. So I'm gonna share with you this is my Facebook account. This is not a page, this is my Facebook account. You can see me here. It's known as EMPEROVIAL. So that's why I said my nickname is EMPEROVIAL. So this is the post we did. Our class ended 9:30 p.m. yesterday. So this was what we talked about. So the stuff I didn't talk about was information market. I said we'll talk about 7 things. Each day we dealt heavily on this stuff. We had what is called a preparatory section. I have what we call a practical section. We had a class from 5:30 to 7 p.m. and I had a 90 minutes break, and we came and took from it has 8:30 p.m. down to 10 p.m. So it was a very practical session, but some days we took it much faster and earlier. Okay, and we had practical session, voice note. We had even the class had accountability partner. I said I did this program to mark my dad's 12 years anniversary, memorial anniversary. So I put in on my best, and I was supposed to be on a holiday section because we had a memorial last week. So supposed to go. I took all the sacrifices and said I want to deliver value, and I want to deliver a value that anybody that came to this program will be able to attest that he got value, and I made it so cheap. I didn't want to do the training free so that we can qualify serious-minded people from unserious-minded people. So it was just $3.6. So training was very cheap. So anybody that is serious-minded about digital business will come and learn. I gave up my library to them. Library was worth a lot of stuff. Only the library alone was like times 10 of the value of the class, more than times 10 of the value of the class. Okay, I want to show you the comments of the comment of the sections we had. So just stay with me. We're gonna read them. I can see some of them is over here now. So we have a desire. Your daily, he said something about you can go up on my Facebook account, you can check out these are real human beings. We are part of our program, like I showed you here. We did it on WhatsApp, and this is our training this model here. We had over 112 persons. I made it 113. So we had those people. So Ayodele said I have gained another I've gained another from the program, and I'm still surprised how that kind of value can be given for the small money paid for it to, someone said EMPEROVIAL a blessing. Yeah, I've always decided to be a blessing to people. And he was expressing surprise about the money he paid for the program, that he's surprised about the kind of value that was given to him. Just that. So this is Pascal is talking $1 million value every single day, and to think that it went for a stipend fee to create a program. So this is one of the legacies. I said that I wanted to do a training where people get massive value that they couldn't resist, that they couldn't deny that they got value. Yes, so someone says the wisdom are really bankable. So if you look at the title of the program, was 7 days of bankable wisdom. That not just someone that comes out and start bragging and start saying things I don't mean, started telling you that will give you value in something you don't get it. So this program was that kind of program that you just had to. I also promised that if people that didn't get value from the program come and get their money back, I was just aiming to give everyone a lot of value. So Vivian is saying intriguing indeed, more than a lifetime effect. See, so more wisdom. So most of the people are really wishing me more wisdom. Some are calling me being great. So, but because in our society we have more people that they say that they make a lot of money, but the world judges people by their succession, by how much people you've been able to impact. It's not about maybe you, how many number of people that were in your program. Don't get it. I'm saying we are 112 in our program. It's about the testimonials of people. Could people still come out to tell you? But people in Nigeria don't always come out to tell you that this program was good, was bad. If it was bad, you won't even tell people much. They will come and share it on social media everywhere. And my social media account, comment section is always open to everyone. So Adebapo Dollar Paul was saying, I've gained a lot of value than I expected from this program. Now you see, some people had some expectations, but I said I wanted to beat all expectations by the grace of God. So this is Olua. Sorry, I'm not Yoruba. I'm going to get this well. Olua Darasimi. So Olua Darasimi said, I've truly banked a whole lot of wisdom I might not have gained in 7 years if I've not attended these 7 days of bankable wisdom with EMPEROVIAL. Thanks for all you do. So thank you, Lua, for being sincere and sharing your heartfelt testimonial. Look at Victor Paul. Victor Paul was saying that this is my full name, was just awesome. The 7 days we are power packed. Each day contained lots and lots of value and actionable steps. So this is of Fana Innocent said it was powerful and impactful. The light I encountered in these 7 days has opened my mind to the powers that flows in self-discovery. EMPEROVIAL, God bless you and grant you more wisdom. Amen. Thank you, Innocent. He was talking about he encountered a light, because wisdom most times has to do with light. Like if you are in a dark room, all you need is just light. If you are in a darker room, you need more light. Okay, so these are Biodu Alessito. So he said it was indeed powerful. I'm happy to be part of this bankable wisdom with EMPEROVIAL. Thanks for the great insight and enlightenment. Okay, so we had Moses. Moses said, you are indeed a blessing to this generation. Kind of value you impact what a fortune with, and you are selflessly give out all this for almost nothing. Okay, so this is one of my proteges and is really doing massively in digital business. Now this is Olua. You can see the testimonials are over 18 or 17. Let me see. This was just taken just that day. Yesterday, that's like less than 24 hours from now. The fact is that everybody has different reasons for this is Olayemi was sharing. The fact that everybody has different reasons for organizing training programs. Most are because of money, but you do yours with humanity in heart. I don't like coming online, but you have impacted me so much. You have impact so much on me that I really know the value of social media. Tell you are the best, truly. I appreciate it. I love you. I love you also, Olayemi. This is a madam. I used to call her Mommy Teresa. So she said she's over 60 years old. She's a retired pharmacist. She came to our platform, humbled herself enough to learn. I was almost crying when she told me that she was learning and she was getting value. I was so moved. She said, as your name is, that's how precious this gift of bankable wisdom is to everyone who is determined to do genuine businesses. You imparted me so much in no small measure. I thank the Lord who made a way for me to have this opportunity. I believe I shall do much better in my business now. Thanks so much. Thanks a lot, mommy. I love you a lot. And this is Sage Olusegun saying powerful and impactful session all through the 7 days. I told you, people don't doubt a pleasant experience. People don't doubt a pleasant experience. So he's talking about Osita. This is Osita or Osimat. I can't say thank you enough that can equal the value you added to my life through these 7 days of bankable wisdom. Indeed, it was what it talks about. Thank you so much. Meet you at the top. Thank you. I'm already at the top. I'm gonna go higher and higher and higher and see you getting more testimonials. And this is Eliza Jim. Okay, so I've not got the name spelling correctly. I was there. It was absolutely answered. It absolutely answered to his name, Bankable Wisdom, a 7 days life changing program within 5 to 7 now 5 days life worth giving virtually for free. Thank you so much. May God bless you, increase and keep you new insight. It has been a smooth ride with great praise on bankable ones. Thanks, sir, for all you do. Okay, so this I told you, people don't doubt a pleasant experience. People don't doubt a pleasant experience. So I just took about 17 testimonials I just read so far. People don't doubt a pleasant experience. So I just have to show you this because some people will say people organize program. Hey, they just said that the program was nice. I said impact is not what you say you have done. Impact is what others say they have experienced from you. So bankable wisdom, we are going to have the next edition in June 23rd or 24th, down 7 days again. Wrap it up. I said I want to train 1,000 people. I want to train 1,000 people to mark my dad's memorial. The death memorial was drawn toward is still continuously till July. Okay, but I'm pouring a lot of value now because I want to see people's life transform. I believe that this is what we need to do in Africa. We need to make transforming impact on people's lives. So you can shoot me an email if you'd like to be part of this, EMPEROVIAL.com. This is my spelling of Emperovia. So this is EMPEROVIAL.com. EMPEROVIA.com is my website address. You can check it up. EMPEROVIA@gmail.com. You can get to talk to me super fast and super easy. So if you have questions, you can ask. But bankable wisdom is over now, and I'm super happy that it was a blast. Okay, thank you a lot for watching with me so far. Subscribe to this channel and you're going to see more of this valuable stuff on digital business. Thanks a lot. I love you. Thank you for watching so far. Thank you.